Shiba Inu and Doge are both meme cryptocurrencies. But lately, things are getting serious for both of these coins, and especially Shiba Inu, as the price have skyrocketed by 300% over only a few days. And today, I'm doing a deep dive into why these coins are making people laugh all the way to the bank. Hi, I'm the Fungible Millennial. If you're new to my channel, I do all things finance, from property investing to share trading, as well as crypto investing. I kindly ask you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to my channel. Now let's have a look at Dogecoin first. This was created by an IBM software engineer, Bill Marcus, and an Australian software engineer, Jackson Palmer, who created the coin as a joke in order to make fun of the wild speculations in cryptocurrencies at the time. The logo itself is based off the Doge meme that was hugely popular at the time. The coin was launched in 2013. They designed the protocol based on Litecoin, and Litecoin itself is based on Bitcoin, which is a proof-of-work algorithm. If you have watched my video on my top 5 cryptocurrencies that I hold, I go briefly into what proof-of-work and proof-of-stake protocols are, so I won't go into much detail today. Dogecoin gained so much traction in the first 30 days of launch, and just in 72 hours the price rose nearly 300%. Jackson Palmer left the cryptocurrency community in 2015 as he felt that the coin itself was defying what he set out to do, and that was poke fun of Bitcoin. In July this year, Palmer tweeted, "Despite the claims of centralization, the cryptocurrency industry is controlled by a powerful cartel of wealthy figures who, at the time, have evolved to incorporate many of the same institutional ties to existing centralized financial systems they supposedly set out to replace." Sadly, Dogecoin could not escape the speculations that surrounds a lot of the meme coins. Elon Musk is one of the most popular people to manipulate the Dogecoin market. The price of Dogecoin frequently saw price movements shortly after his Dogecoin-related tweets. For example, on 20th December 2020, his single-worded tweet saw the increase of Dogecoin by 20%. And early this year, his tweets, "Dogecoin is the people's crypto," and "No highs, no lows, only Dogecoin," saw the coin rise by 40%. The application of Doge is quite limited compared to most of the coins out there, as it's based on Litecoin's proof-of-work protocol. So this means you can't really build anything on it unless you wrap the coin. However, currently over 1,000 merchants have adopted it as a payment method to detach itself from traditional fiat. This adoption number is pretty good for a coin minted on the back of some joke. The price has increased so much that it now sits in the top 10 coins in terms of market cap. When Dogecoin was lowest in December 2013, it was at 1.156 times 10 to the power negative $4, and today it sits around 24.85 cents. This means that the coin has increased by 1,593-fold. Had you invested $1,000 into Dogecoin at the beginning, you'll be sitting on $1.6 million. This rise is significantly better than Bitcoin. Both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have a picture of a dog breed, Shiba Inu, as their logo, but the similarity stops right there. Shiba was launched in August 2020, modeled after Dogecoin. Shiba was launched as a decentralized meme token that has now evolved into a vibrant ecosystem to include sheep, leash, and bone cryptocurrencies. Unlike Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is based on Ethereum. The creator, Ryoshi, minted 1 quadrillion coins when it was launched, of which he gave 50% to Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. Vitalik decided to donate all of these coins to help with the COVID Relief Fund of India in July. This was worth around about $1.2 billion at the time. When this news hit, this led to the crash of Shiba. At the lowest, Shiba was worth around about 1.10 to the power negative $10, but now it's worth around 3.2 times 10 to the power negative 5, which is an increase of 320,000 times. So if you had $1 worth of Shiba at the lowest point around August 2020, you will have $320,000. In other words, had you just put around about $10, you'll be sitting on $3 million today. So why is Shiba's increase so explosive compared to that of Doge? There are a combination of different reasons that culminated to its success. And before I tell you, please use my link and sign up to Crypto.com, where you can get $25 for just signing up. By staking your coins on Crypto.com, you can get up to 14.5% per annum in return. Now that's way better than a bank. If you sign up to their top tier debit card, you can get free Spotify, Netflix, and Prime membership, free airport lounge access for 2, private jet partnership, cashback reward, and much, much more. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to use the link below to get $25. Shiba Inu started out as a meme coin after being inspired by Dogecoin, and it was known as the Doge Killer. However, for a while both meme coins were coupled to another, until recently. Here you can see in this chart, Shiba in blue has followed the trend of Doge in red, until recently when you saw Shiba move exponentially whilst Doge barely moved at all. One of the contributing factors is that Shiba was listed on Coinbase only recently. In the past, we have seen price of coins move up significantly when they are listed on major exchanges such as Coinbase, because it was more readily accessible to a larger group of investors who use these platforms. The hype that surrounds Shiba only got hotter as a lot of investors jumped onto this meme coin and pushed the price up. Number 2, the fundamentals of Shiba Inu is different. If you go on to shibatoken.com, which is Shiba's official website, this token seems to be more than just a meme coin, as Shiba is built on Ethereum, which means it has access to smart contracts, i.e. it's programmable so you can build apps on top of it. They launched ShibaSwap in July this year, where you can exchange the 3 main Shiba tokens, Shiba Inu, Leash, and Bone. Furthermore, you can stake your coin and earn reward or take part in liquidity pools to earn ShibaSwap liquidity provider tokens. And these tokens can be staked in Yield Farm pools to further earn Bone tokens. Shiba is also in the market to mint non-fungible tokens or NFTs. And as many of you know, NFT is a multi-billion-dollar market that has had major growth this year. Shiba has an incubator which is much like Cardano's incubator called Catalyst. This is to bring together creative people and developers alike to use their platform to make a utility, for example. This will definitely encourage mass adoption of Shiba Inu. Shiba is also partaking in philanthropic work through partnership with Amazon. This is an affiliate-like program where if you spend money on Amazon on a specific product, they will donate 0.5% of the purchase to Shiba Inu Rescue Association. And those are the facts. And here's my current opinion on Doge and Shiba, and whether Shiba is a Doge killer. You can already see that Shiba is diverging away from its predecessor, Dogecoin, and building its own ecosystem. So it doesn't make sense for them to be trading in the same trajectory. And in terms of whether Shiba is a Doge killer, on the surface it seems like it is, but doesn't necessarily mean it is. For one, to be a true killer, you need an inverse relationship. For example, if the price of Shiba increases, Doge should be going the negative. But so far, it's just stayed pretty stagnant. Rather than being a killer, Shiba is choking Dogecoin. And why is this happening? My belief is that Shiba is driven by fad, especially with the younger generation and newer traders who are coming onto the market. They like to follow what is hot, and when they look at low price tag, they are psychologically deceived into believing that Shiba is cheaper without actually looking at the net worth of the market, or the market cap. The combined net worth of Dogecoin is $32 billion, while the market cap on Shiba is half that amount. But the gap is slowly closing. There's also ongoing rumor that Shiba will be on Robinhood soon, as there's a petition to get it on this platform. Underneath all this fad and rumor, I do see a bright potential for Shiba to be the future Doge killer. The fact that Shiba started out as a meme coin doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. It's when they continue to be a meme coin and do not work on incorporating useful products, then you have to be a bit concerned. Shiba has gained an organic following known as the Shiba Army. These people are really loyal to the cause and the brand. Some successful companies only brand their products after they have at least a conceptual idea of the product. But Shiba has done the opposite. It has done the branding first and now is working on the product. Its expansion into products such as DeFi, dApps, NFTs, and new tokens means they are taking things more seriously. This will only mean Shiba will gain more serious investors in the future. The potential is there, and the true success will only come if their products are useful and can gain mass adoption. And when this happens, Shiba will be a true Doge killer. This is the reason why I think Shiba is a better investment than Doge. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to sign up to my freebies and my newsletter, which I provide information on crypto investing, property investing, as well as stock trading. Until next time, thanks for watching.